Now I want to show you how the EV lock, this magnetic lock is connecting. Now this magnetic lock have two connections, that is plus minus. So I already have connected these two connections, which I have green color is positive and white green is negative. You will get in the box this connections, this connector. In this one we have here so many, but we will use only the first one, this one, like white yellow for lock common and white green lock 1 NO. Okay, now I have given this connection. So we need adapter. We need adapter for giving power to a lock system. So the common is -1. I will put directly in, or you can connect. Here we have so many common connections, black color. So I can put one common connection here for the magnetic lock negative. Okay, so the negative from the adapter I will connect in another common. So see, this one is like this. Okay, now we need to give the power to adapter, which will give by this device. Okay, so for that, first this positive, it will go to this one common, lock 1 common is white yellow. So this white yellow will give the positive power inside the lock outdoor unit. So okay, when I want to give the positive power to here, the outdoor unit have to give the power to lock screen. Now lock is unlocked, see, it's not locked. So here it is white green. So white green I will give the positive connection, white green I will give the positive connection to here. And the negative from here, from device. So again, plus minus is given from the device, black color, and the positive is getting from here, directly from here to here. So now it's locked. See, now it is locked. So when somebody call, you can directly unlock from here. See, it's unlocked.
Door opened successfully.
So it's unlocked. After a second, it will lock. It's locked. Now, if you want to unlock without the calling, you can press this live button and go to outdoor unit here. Then you will see door 1. It's locked now. When you press lock,
door opened successfully.
Okay. Same like if you want to connect exit button, the exit button is connection here is green and black. See, one more black is there. So if exit button is short, see, it's unlocked. So exit button can be given on green and black. Now it's locked. So it's just click when it's short, it unlocks. Okay, thank you.